In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Uber Eats taxes on TurboTax. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll use and what to have on hand so you can file with confidence. First, gather your Uber Eats tax documents. You're typically treated as a self-employed independent contractor, so look for Form 1099 NEC, Form 1099K, your Uber annual tax summary, and your mileage and expense records. Having these ready up front will save time and help you avoid mistakes. If you track mileage with an app or a logbook, total up your business miles for the year and note any tolls or parking you paid while delivering. Organize receipts for phone, data, and small gear like insulated bags. Next, open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser and sign in. From the Tax Home dashboard, either open the return you already started or begin a new one. Head to the Federal section, then choose Income and Expenses. Scroll until you see Self-Employment Income and Expenses and select Start or Review. This is where TurboTax collects your delivery income and deductions. Create your Uber Eats business profile. Use a simple name like Uber Eats Delivery. Choose your business type and pick the closest industry category. TurboTax will automatically set up a Schedule C for this business, so your income and expenses flow to the right place. If you haven't started a return yet and need access, use the link provided in the description to open TurboTax and begin. Now enter your income. Add your Form 1099 NEC and Form 1099K information. If you didn't receive one of these forms, enter your Uber Eats earnings manually using your own records or the Uber annual tax summary. Remember, gig income is generally taxable even if no form was issued. Enter your delivery expenses. This is where many drivers lower their taxable income. Add your business mileage, vehicle expenses, tolls, parking fees, phone costs related to work, and delivery equipment. Keep mileage logs and receipts so the amounts you enter are well supported. Review your Schedule C details. TurboTax will total your business income and expenses, calculate your net profit or loss, and figure out self-employment taxes. Uber Eats income usually appears on Schedule C, and TurboTax also prepares Schedule SC when it's needed. When everything looks good, use the review section to check for errors and missing info. Follow the prompts to e-file your federal and, if applicable, state tax returns. Keep copies of your forms and summaries for your records. Thanks for watching and good luck filing.